everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And let's dive right into the analysis here. And actually, before we continue, big congratulations to the Discord members. You guys are actually killing it because we actually bagged another massive winner today, 26.79% on 20% of the portfolio. So this is going to be a huge win to add on. Lots of members are actually long this BCH trade as well, and very happy on the outcome. So overall, congrats if you got into this trade that I was in. We're reaping the rewards right now. We are also currently in a short position on Bitcoin since 64,000, and we'll dive right into it right now. Let me just get over here and I'll show you guys what I'm seeing. And if you guys want to get access to my trades, the link is in the description and you can get access to them in real time. But I also do free analysis here on YouTube for you all. So like I said in yesterday's video, I think we could be getting ready to pull back here in a C leg, and it appears that it's starting to play out right now. And my target for this C leg is right around 61,000 to as low, because there is a low for this target, as low as 59,960. Let me just see if my target has changed since yesterday, because depending on how this ABC was playing out, the target may have changed, right? So I just want to make sure nothing has changed since then. Pretty sure nothing has changed. I was measuring it from this high here. So yeah, nothing has really changed. Maybe a little bit lower, as low as 59,915. So yeah, anything other like that goes lower than this, I'd stop out of the trade. But you do have a pivot to trade against, right? Remember that. Wave 2s can go deeper, right? So you can use different fib levels if you are trying to catch the bottom of this dip, right? So if let's just say we draw a fib from this entire move up, then your 618 actually goes all the way down here to the $60,000 level. So you got a $60,000 pivot right there within this range as well. So that's a good setup. But right now you have a downsloping trend line, which could act as a big support here with this support box as well. So that's where I'm going to be looking to enter a long. I want to see smart money buying as well, not only on like the smaller time frames, but the larger time frames as well. So if we can see smart money start to accumulate some longs, then I'll be getting really bullish. But if we decide to roll over and continue for a lower low, then that would be very bearish for Bitcoin. But overall, we've exited our longs, we've entered shorts, and we're just sitting pretty in profit right now. Daily time frame on Market Cipher has printed a 14 and just a 4 here, not a -4, but a 14 and a 4. So some bearish signs there on the daily. 2-day has shifted negative as well. 3-day time frame still can print a green dot, so it's still possible for this to become a very bullish outcome for Bitcoin. Last time we confirmed a green dot like this was right around January, before we got this massive rally towards the upside. And we still got thick green money flow on the 3-day, right? Remember that. Weekly and 4-day are still looking okay. And then when we look at the 12-hour, so the 12-hour, this is where you want to pay attention to Bitcoin right now. 17 to the -5 on the dual band strength index. You have increasing red money flow, which is bearish. You have a red dot, and on top of that, when you get on the smaller time frames like the 4-hour and the 1-hour, right now you have a blood diamond, 22 to the -5, 23 to the -5, last two candles. You have green money flow coming back to the zero line, which is not something I really like to see. And then the 1-hour time frame, you got more bearish momentum as well. You're about to cross back into red money flow. The 45 has already crossed into it. You're printing a green dot right now, which means you could get a bounce back up to 63,000. Maybe you'll get another opportunity to short. 24-minute, you're starting to get into some red money flow here, and the 12-minute is really deep in that red money flow. So yeah, as the deeper you go into these time frames, you see that Bitcoin is getting a significant little dip here. Could it already be over? I don't really see any signs of that just yet on the 1-hour. It looks like the momentum waves have further to go towards the downside. We're getting like a technical pause right now on this down move, but I think once the selling resumes, it could go into this buy area here. So I'm not in any longs right now, just waiting for my my buy area to hit, and then I'll wait for the indicators to start signaling that smart money is buying, because I am not seeing any smart money buying right now. We saw smart money selling, right? We saw smart money starting to unload their positions around 62,700 to 64,600, and it's just been chopping sideways in the range. And since then, we're probably going to come back up and retest this as resistance. Looks like we already kind of did that on this wick here, but I would like to retest the range, and then if you see a big rejection, then that's it. We're probably going to end up going a little bit lower before we go higher. You're getting some green crosses right now in the 24-minute, which means you might get a little bit of a relief rally. But hey, I'm not taking those small trades right now. If you guys want to get access to my trades, the link is in the description. You guys can check out my Q1 profit and loss history. I just did a recap. There's over 8,000 views on that video, getting lots of popularity, lots of likes. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. But yeah, thanks for the support, everyone. We're almost at 35,000 subscribers, and I'll give you some more analysis tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Peace.